In the stock templates that come with Business Center, so again, if you're going to go file new and you're going to use the utility templates, US foot, international, or metric, you'll see that when you go into the utility under the trench template manager, is that there is a selection, or at least 5 different types of trench. So you have a flat bottom trench with some side slopes. You can see they're already kind of predefined. The backfill information and even the depth zone. And then you got a different one here, again, different depth zones, side slope conditions, backfill. So you can use these to create your own and modify them as needed, but at least also learn how how they're configured. Here's one with basically a 36-inch walls for sanitary, a water line one, and then a tie with a bench. So a couple different things that you can do here. You can see the bench in this particular complex trench template. So again, another good place to start to learn the trench template and how to use this.